What's up, y'all? Every penny counts. I want to talk to y'all about another site, Prizerebel. I've mentioned this previously, but I want to talk about it a little more because it's another good site that I want to just keep reminding you guys that, these sites that I'm using, you got to use them. All right. Like I always do at the beginning of my video, show you my balance. You see there, $3.15. That's basically what that is. Every point is a penny. Show you some proof real quick. How I've been getting paid from this site. If I go to rewards, on my rewards history, to show you that this site does pay, and they paid me a few times. All these $5 payments, you see all of that. I don't cash out often on this site, only because like during this time I've just been introduced to so many new sites, so I'm trying to just sprinkle everything in one day all the time. So it's like I've been so busy the past few months. What I'm saying, I just got married last year, so it's just I'm taking trips. It's just so much going on, so that's why I really don't cash out a lot on this site. But it does not mean that you cannot cash out on the site, because you see that they have sent me multiple payments of $5. You can cash out at 5, 10, whatever you want to do, but you have to have a minimum of $5 to cash out. All right. I'm gonna go up here and show you what I do. Click on the Prizerebel icon. It'll show you basically like the home page. Your surveys. All right. You click on your surveys. They're like 77 cents for each one you do, I believe. Yeah, right there. And then if you scroll down, you'll see they have even more surveys that you can do. And it always tells you the time that it'll take for you to complete the survey. So you see all these your surveys you can do. Now, like I tell you, you won't be able to complete them all, but it's a good chance you can complete at least half of them. So you want to attempt to do that. And then you see here, all of these survey walls that they have, all of those, you got to go through all of these, y'all. I'm trying to get back on that now, going through all of these survey walls, completing them. Just give you an example. Just look at Samplicious here. Samplicious, these are ones I really like because you get paid, look, 90 cents for one. You can do one that goes up to 50 minutes for $1.10. You know what I'm saying? I don't really do that because 50 minutes for $1, that's too much time. But the regular ones, those are like 10, 15 minute surveys for 90 cents. So that's a lot better and more worth your time, all right? Peanut Labs, another one you want to try out. Peanut Labs, like I tell y'all, they will pay you even if you get disqualified. All right, they'll pay you a penny for everyone you disqualify for. But Peanut Labs surveys, they're easy to qualify for. I mean, they're not hard at all. They accept a wide range of demographics. So definitely check out Peanut Labs and go through and do all those you can. Tap Research, those are another easy surveys you can do. They don't usually take them that long either. I think the longest one I've ever taken on Tap Research was like 20 minutes. Most of them are like 5, 10, somewhere around there, because they're really quick surveys. They don't pay that high, but I'm just going to show you. But they do pay, quick and easy, with these surveys. Tap Research here, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see these surveys. Well, they actually are. I mean, it just depends on the day, because today they actually got them going with high payments. Usually I'm on here and I see like 30, 40 cents, whatever. But they got a lot of good ones on here today. So you really got to, just check them out often, because sometimes they have high paying ones. Sometimes they don't. Look, $1.17. How long is that survey going to take? 14 minutes. That's definitely one I got to try. So definitely want to look at Tap Research. If you see the number in parentheses and the star, that's basically what that's how many people have taken the survey and what they've rated it. And you see a lot of these surveys are getting 5 stars. So that's why you got to check it out, y'all. I mean, very, very easy to do. Market Cube up here. This is basically Sample Cube surveys. Sample Cube, Market Cube, they're all the same thing. But another survey wall that you want to check out. You see here how much they pay. These are high paying surveys as well, y'all. I'm just scrolling down. You see how much they're paying. Look, 10 minutes, $2.40. And they just added it. I mean, when they just 19 hours ago. So this is like within a day they've added them. So you got to check out those as well. Just run through, do as much as you can, do as many as you can. It's just that simple. That's how you get the money to your account. All right. So they have other ones that you can do. Like all of these survey walls, they pay around the same. I mean, they're high paying. They're easy to do. None of them are too hard. If you don't qualify for one, just go to the next one. Just that simple, all right? I'm going to show you some of the rewards that you can get with this site. If I go here, if I can click on it, right? Go to rewards. They have PayPal. They have Amazon. They have lots of gift cards on this site. You see here, all these gift cards you can get. And you see here on the side what everybody's getting. PayPal, you know what I'm saying? All of these on here that you can try to get $5 minimum. Look, all these gift cards: Kohl's, TJ Maxx, Home Depot, Lowe's. Of course, got the Amazon load. You can get $2 for Amazon. You don't have to have that. You don't even have to have $5. So they do have some ones that are under that. You go there, $3 Dunkin' Donuts. But I think if you want the cash, you gotta have like $5. You know, Whopper, you can get Burger King. They have lots of gift cards. I think this is one of the best sites when it comes to a variety of gift cards you can choose from. Target, Domino's, so many different things. This hasn't even finished loading yet. I mean, there's just so many different gift cards that they have. So you got to take advantage of this. Sign up today, and just start making money with it, y'all. It's an easy site to use. Very, very many opportunities to make money with this site. So, like I said, just get on it. They have video sections that you can watch. You see here, Engage Me, Video Loyalty, Hyper and Max. You can actually do tasks, like little things you can do on Google and get paid for. Lots of variety. They have their payments are instant if you're a gold member or plus. Okay, if you're anything like a silver or like I'm a silver member, it'll take like a day to get to you, but that's not that bad. I'm just gonna click on that to show you the ranks of what that is. You see that I need 1455 points to get the gold level. And I'm gonna show you what it means about that. The bronze level, basically what that is, automatic prize processing. That means it won't be automatic, but the gold, platinum, and diamond, their prizes are automatic. Those are the amount of points you have to reach each level. Okay, that's how much you'll get from your referrals once you get to that level, that diamond, platinum, whatever you're on. Special bonus, this is something I like. Whatever you have made throughout the month, they take a percentage of that. So look, if you're a gold member, you'll make 1% of whatever you made that month. They'll give you that. 2% for a platinum member and 3% for a diamond member. Same thing as that. All right. They also have prize discounts where they take off like 1%, 2%, 3% of your prize. So like if you don't have to have, if you're a gold member, instead of having 500 points to get $5, you just need 495. So very, very cool site. So many different things to do on this site. That's why it's one of my favorites. I try to stay on top of this site. Like I said, I've been busy for a while lately, but I'm getting back onto my grind. I'll keep you guys updated on how I'm going with it. Y'all got to get on the site, y'all. Prizerebel, the link is in the description. Sign up for it today. It's completely free. It's free. You don't have to pay anything to get on this site. It's completely free. Just come on here and make a free account, you know, and just start putting money in your PayPal account. Just that simple. You see here, they give you a little bonus. If you get 154 points, they give you 7 cents free. Just like that. I mean, it's just that simple. So I got to sign up for this site, Prizerebel. Link is in the description. Sign up, get a bonus, get started today. All right. And always remember, every penny counts.